Hi guys, if you're new here, my name is Shelby Van Berkham and I am 19 years old and I'm a college student in Nebraska. And on my channel, I primarily focus on fashion and lifestyle. So today I'm going to be showing you 7 trendy hairstyles and just how to do them and different products you're going to need. So the first one is with this clip. I know this is really trendy going around right now and a lot of people do not know how to do it, and it's actually super easy. So just going to, my hair's already parted. I always have a middle part, which I think looks better. And then just gonna turn around, spin it at the bottom, and then clip it, and then your hair's gonna fly right there. And then just pull, I have my mirror here too, so if I'm not looking at the camera. And then I just pull some pieces out, make it look a little bit messy, and there you go. It's like super easy, and it just looks cute. It's like a ponytail, but like 10 times cuter. I love doing this. I've been doing this like every other day. I love it. And then you can always change up your clips like with different colors to match your outfits. Like I have 3 different colors. I have green, pink, and like a corally orange. So that's the first one. Do the same thing, except I'm going to do half up, half down, which I also like doing too. And so you're just going to turn around, spin your hair again, fold it, and clip. And then I always pull some pieces out right on the top. One second, I'm gonna get my dog. And welcome, Sage. You're welcome. So here's the second hairstyle. Super easy as well, but I like this one. It's more, I think it's more cute, and you can wear it with like dresses and stuff. And then you can always curl your hair if you want it to be a little bit more fancy. Curl these parts, which I think are super cute as well. And there's your second hairstyle. Okay, so for the third, it's gonna be a little bit more tricky, but I know my sister loves this one, so I bet you guys will as well. So this one harder. So I have my comb here, and you're going to split your hair. You're gonna make sure you have a middle part, and then you want to have one section. And you're gonna need these, which are, oops, I think I just got them at the dollar store and they're super cheap. And you want clear, which I think clear are the best because then you can't really see them. I'm just gonna put some out on here. And then, so you're gonna grab your hair right here. Make sure it's like a little chunk, but not like too little. You just want it to be pretty decent size. And you're just gonna okay, so you have one side, and then I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. You want to grab the same exact amount so they're equal on both sides. Make sure you tighten them really good so that they don't fall out like that. Okay, so you have now just 2 little baby pigtails, and then I'm going to grab another set of hair farther back. Tie that one off with an elastic as well. So it's like a little bit harder, but I don't think it's too hard. My sister would disagree, but I don't think it's too hard. Okay, so now we have 3 done, and we just need one more. So grab the same exact amount on this side. All right, so now we have all 4 done. And then this is where it's up to you. So you can either braid right here, braid both sides just like a regular braid, and then you can pull it back, or you can just leave it like this. Today I'm just gonna leave it how it is. And then you're just gonna pull it back into a big ponytail. So there you go. And then you just pull some out, and here you go. It's a super cute, just super cute. And if you're like in athletics or anything and you want your hair just slicked back, you can always do this. My sister did this for her basketball games, and it was great because you didn't have any flyaways or little bangs that came out. So there's number 3. Okay, for the 4th hairstyle, I'll be doing a bubble braid, a full ponytail with a bubble. And I know this has been getting super popular as well, and it looks very aesthetic. And I've been seeing it on Pinterest a lot, and like my favorite influencers doing it as well. And I've seen people comment on their videos saying like, how do you do this? So I'm going to show you guys. So you just need a big pony, just like a regular ponytail. All right. So just a regular ponytail. And then this is when we spice it up. So you're just gonna need these again, which these are a lifesaver. Just need about 4 of them, or as many as you want in your hair. Since my hair is shorter, I'm gonna want 4 of them. If your hair's shorter, then you're gonna shorter than mine, then you're gonna want less. If they're longer, then you're gonna probably want more. And then you're just gonna split them up. You just want to make sure that you have about equal sections. These things are so clear that I keep losing them on my white bedding. And then need about 1 more, I think will look good. Sorry if you can hear my boyfriend and my dog in the back. We have our bubble braid, and then we're gonna make it look a little bit messier. I'm like gonna split them up, make them look more like little bubbles. And there you go. If you want, you can do little pieces out like this again. I always like pulling them out, just make my forehead look a little bit smaller and it look a little bit more messier. This is the 4th or the 5th? Well, whatever it is. And then I'm going to split it up, like split my hair into another part. And little baby one, hey, get those out of your mouth. You're gonna choke on them. Okay, so you have 1 bubble right here, and a second right here. I actually did this one in my last Instagram photo, and it's super cute. You can always curl your hair with this one as well if you want to make it a little bit more dressy. So now you have 2, and then you're just going to do bubbles on each side. I love it, like just pops out and it's super cute. Like I know people used to do braids on the sides, but these just really pop out with when you spread them out. So I think those are super cute. So you can do as many as you want. I'm just gonna do about 4 on each side. What? Alright, so we got 4 now. And then I'm gonna split them up. And then you got one side. I'll be back to show you the other side when it's finished. And there's your hairstyle. For the next one, it is pretty easy. I would say it is with a bandana or anything that resembles this shape, or half. This one is only half. I have some that are a full square and then I just fold them into a triangle. And then with this one, I always put my hair up back, just in a little ponytail, so it's all back. And then I grab my little hair scarf and wrap it under my ponytail. And then tie it really tight. Take out my ponytail. Move this so I don't look like weird and pull out hair, ears. And there's your hairstyle. And this one, I would definitely curl my hair for this, but for the video, I'm just gonna have it straightened, or this is actually my natural hair. And this, I feel like, has been getting more popular with like when people are like going to prom and stuff. Instead of doing a whole hairstyle, they'll just curl their hair and put this on one side. So for this, you just put it on. I always have a middle part, but you can definitely have like a side part if you prefer that. And then I just put it on whatever side I think. Make sure it's really tight so it doesn't fall out. And then it always looks cute in photos like this. So there's the last hairstyle. So thank you guys for watching my hairstyle videos. I hope you got some inspiration and you learned just a little bit more about how to do different hairstyles and trendy hairstyles. If you guys have any other ideas for future videos, or do you want me to try other hairstyles, then leave them in the comments and I will look at them and I will try them out. So thank you for watching. See you on Friday.